Mergado Pack is a free set of modules for e-commerce platforms that will help you connect your online store with the online world.
Hello! Today we will look at how to install the Mergado Pack module for PrestaShop. Since it's a free module, it is not available on the official PrestaShop catalog, so you have to download it from our website. Visit pack.mergado.com and switch to the PrestaShop tab. First, you have to check if your store meets the minimum required configuration, which is 1.6.1 or higher, or 1.7 or higher for PrestaShop version, and 7.1 or higher for PHP version. If you're not sure, you can check this on your PrestaShop under Advanced Parameters, Information, where you will find the PrestaShop and PHP version. To continue, switch back to our website and click Download. Download the file to your computer and switch to your PrestaShop and visit Modules and Module Manager. Click Upload a module and select the file from your computer. Wait for the installation to finish. When finished, you will find the Mergado Pack module under Catalog. Now you have your module installed on your PrestaShop store.
Mergado Pack is for free. You can download it either on our website or on the official website of each platform.